Thank you, sir.
Moi reporter berkena request kure mane kure je apna lagi all pisot ahi. Moi cameraman bilang kena kure mane kure je apna all pisot ahi jao. So mane sodan pisot public ko dekhe mane dekha pai.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Rishinath. I am the official adjudicator for Guinness World Records headquartered in London. So today I'm honored to be here in your presence. What we have here is the longest record attempt, Guinness World Records attempt for the longest moving line of people walking on stilts. Just to give you a background, it is a new record. There has been no record like this before. It's the first record of its kind. And the minimum set for this is 250 people. But from what I gather here, we have an overwhelming number of people gathered here with stills, young enthusiasts. So I wish everyone the very best and let us commence with the attempt. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now we would like to show you the trial. Online media person request to clear the area. Now we don't line. One. Line. Distance. Line pen distance noise. Line. Up here too. Line. Left turn. Ready? On your mark. Set. Go. I request all the media person to stand behind the line and not to block the view of the VIPs. I request all the videographer and the media person to stand behind the line so that countdown 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. Line don't know. Distance. Distance. All the media persons are requested to stand behind the line, please. All the media persons are requested to stand behind the line. Now, we would like to go for second trial. Distance. Apa है? Distance. Line. Apa yang coba bu? Right turn. Go!
Langsung cing lu mau, distance maintain. Distance maintain. Kapal jalan, pacing lu mari.
Number one. Kami mau.
After which, collect all samples and put together. We'll see if there have been disqualifications. And if there are any disqualifications, then we have to check at which point. Which I don't foresee happening. If there is a disqualification, I would suggest that we do a second entry. We have 3 entries.
Okay, sir, like if they walk more than one minute, we don't have to stop in 1 minute. No.
Okay. Exceed the minimum.
Minimum.
4, 3, 2, 1, stop. Rontang kelang bang. Rontang kelang. Distance, maintain. Distance of here, line and distance. Line. Kali stop lah.
Kali itu line tu maintain kori bodoh.
Okay.
Sunil top B nang li kona tu mana tu sebang dak bang chao.